no, we're killing Joe. We're killing Joe.
Away. Yeah.
We have to make that they must know. They can see it even. I can see it same reference started at live.
It's gone.
It is shooting to the downside, Joe.
Can't touch this, no.
Agent anticipated this buyers, Joe.
But this thing, I saw it. So that's a good like
more 12.50. It has to draw more 12.50 and bond like literally close to there.
Shaya.
We do reject.
We're trading here. We're on the market.
We are live trading.
We're trading live.
Yeah. So can you hear me see while we're looking at the trades?
Yeah, we're trading live. Hey, that 15 minutes is talking, eh? Lesiba, congratulations on your views on YouTube.
Thanks. They have to represent Joe. Instead of reaching, 100,000 people, we have to look forward for the vegan.
Lesiba is making it big nowadays. We're on the market. Today we're discussing market. We're on the market. We're on the market. We're focused on the market today. During the week we're on the market. Weekend then we go deeper on other topics. But weekend during the week we're on the financial markets.
They mustn't be shocked when they see these moves happening. When we are at the banks, we are let's sell us.
Yeah, can you just tune in there just to hear if the voice is very we are on the market. Oh, hey, so this is we're on the market, guys. We're on the market. I was just showing you that we also work. It's not usually people, they just see us having fun. They don't know that we are working during the week. So I was just saying, no, we are working. Be aware that we are working. And then we are there, we are putting in the work. I'm with one of the top guys here, Mr. Lesiba. We're celebrating 3 million views on YouTube. Salute. Next time we will be celebrating maybe 6 million or 10 million views. I don't know. Like Master KG, we can also do 100 million or whatever. We never know how these things work.
Yeah, that's true.
So I want to set up show us the setup. Setup with that. This is not guesswork. This is not the guesswork. This is not the guesswork. It's not a guessing game. Also, it's not a casino. Let's see what's happening. Who's trading, by the way? Who's trading? Yeah, is anyone trading there? Do you guys do any management? There's no management that we are doing because we are playing far from account management. We don't want account management because account management it comes with problems.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah. Who's that with the setup? He's one of the mafias, trading mafias. What's your name, say?
Rex Dandili.
Hey, Rex Dandili. Yes, yeah. You're one of the mafias, Simona. Yeah. I'm waiting for the retest. Let's see. Yeah, Rex Dandili. Yeah, Rex Dandili. The real referee. This one is a fake one. Yeah, he is the real referee. This is the real referee. Yeah. Me, I'm a friend.
Yeah.
You know.
Till the markets.
Yeah. Hey guys, let's enjoy.
Yeah.
Let's enjoy. Are enjoying, but let's push. At the end of the day, we are fighting. Remember what we are fighting? We are fighting against what? Poverty. And poverty, and it's fighting with people. You know, poverty is fighting with people. So, us, we are countering poverty. Remember, during the week I give you spiritual secrets. Now, during after weekends I give you spiritual secrets, but during the week I must give you financial secrets also, so that we can counter the evil forces. There are two. Remember, there's the economic evil force and the spiritual one. So when they see that you are fighting economically, you are winning, they come spiritual. So you must be strong in both sides. So that we don't see you becoming successful, but at the same time you are not happy because they are taking your wealth, other things. You see, health and everything. So you must be healthy and rich and wealthy and happy. Actually, you must be happy. You must be happy. Shaya. Yeah. Eitada. Kinako. Hey. Hi guys. Let's say we will talk. Is there anyone who wanted to? Okay, I can say a request. There's a request here, Mr. Yeah, Bafana Masilela, one of the top mafias. Nice Bafana Forex. Hey, Mr. Bafana Masilela. Mr. Bafana Masilela.
Hey,
Hey, your network is better. Can you? Yes, how are you there? Mr. Bafana Masilela, featuring Slim Delay, one of the top dogs.
Yeah. I see you killing Nasdaq there.
Yeah, we just came back right now. Yeah. We're not long ago, actually, as I told you that I'm public, I can see. Yeah. So we just arrived with excitement.
Oh, when Shasha Moy.
Yeah. I know me personally, I was busy up and down, as you know, that I've been busy with a lot of projects in Mpumalanga, also Mozambique. Hey, I'm busy, you know. So, yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
I was chilling we busy with the market.
Well, you're busy with the market, man.
Yeah,
I'm looking at Nasdaq right now. Nasdaq, I'm looking at it's testing the 50% zone. So anyway, what are you doing right now? But let's see what will happen with the market. It's busy.
Yeah, there's a trend line somewhere. Nasdaq. We saw it on 1 hour.
Trend line, eh? Okay,
it bounced in the beginning, it went up.
Okay.
Yeah, it bounced, it went up, and then it came exactly to that point again.
Yeah, I'm looking at it also so far. I'm looking at it right now. It's at a very critical zone. You see this level of 12,000.
Yeah,
12,000 is a very critical zone. Yeah.
Okay.
12,000 is a very critical zone. Yeah, so if it
breaks there, man, most sellers. Now I'm coming.
I know we'll talk, man. Thank you so much. Because also we'll talk, Baba. Sharp.
No stress, sharp.
Okay, thank you, sir. How do you go? I want to open another. I know. Let's talk soon. I see people are sending me a signal here. That's wonderful. I like your signals. We'll test them out. I know. Is there anyone who wants to request? Let's see who wants to request. These people are playing. Who wants to request? I'm closing now. I've never done any. I see so now. Let's see this other guy of mine. Rev Wayne, why are you always super active? Someone was saying to me, tell me the truth, you are smoking drugs or is it drugs? That's another guy who told me straight. Yeah. There's a guy who told me straight. He said to me, you are on drugs. There's no one who can be always so hyperactive, so positive. Yeah. No. Guys, let's talk soon. I was just spreading positive energy, saying, you know what, during the week, we are fighting the financial war. We are looking for economic emancipation. So economic emancipation, meaning that is economic freedom. And then, so we're fighting now. It's a war, by the way. It's a war. So far, we are on the winning side. Yeah. We don't know how it will close. So far, it's on the winning side. Yeah, it's very, but how it can go, because the market is the market. Yeah. So far, we are happy, but it can also close in another way. But let's see. So far, we are on the winning side. Yeah. I know, we will talk. Then let me just show you, Mr. Ntunyina, Mr. Lesiba, Mr. Mang. Just introduce yourself.
Bravo.
Mr. Mang.
Bravo.
Bravo. Mr. Bravo. Mr.
Rex Didi.
Rex Didi. Yeah. So you see this name, Scary Kiddy game character. Scary Kiddy character. Somebody gave me. Some people must start from Mama. Bravo. Rex Didi. Yeah. I can't imagine yet in our like in just a Forex. They are from Limpopo. They came all the way to meet with me. Because they respect and they understand that if there's going to be anything like a father and a son or a grandfather in the Forex field, like there is in the church, you hear there's a father, there's a grandfather. I am the spiritual father of Forex. Yeah. So these are my sons. 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 Yeah. He's my grandson because he's a son of my son. Yeah. If there is that thing of Papa in Forex, then I don't get Papa. No. Yeah. Papa man. Hey, let's win. Yeah. Hey, this thing. Yeah, it's fighty. Hey, we'll talk, guys. Sharp.